Okay. I have one more question. Do you believe that what they did to us, if it works out and Biden is in, and what they're going to do to us, is that the reason why they want to get rid of the Second Amendment?
Run that by me again. I didn't understand the question because I didn't quite hear you. What do you mean? What are they going to do to us?
They're going to make it so bad that if nobody has arms, they're not going to take up arms against their country. They're going to take up arms for their country. We can't go to socialism.
I'm not sure that they're going to make it so bad that if nobody has arms, but they still got to take the guns. I don't know what Biden's got to go to. I know they would love to. I know they would love to take guns away, but just because Biden's going to get elected doesn't mean it's automatically going to happen. But look, I'm detecting a theme here today that I've got to address. This is like, I think, the fifth caller today who has pointed out that there are millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of Americans who are fit to be tied, and they know exactly what's going on. They see the fraud, they know the fraud, and they've had it. And they're not going to put up with it anymore. You just wait. Well, that's 60 million. That was the projection there. The Trump MAGA radio rally here. But look, I'm not trying to be a smart aleck here, folks. But I don't see the evidence that there are 10 people out there. I better quit while I'm ahead here. Or maybe those of you calling and telling me, they said, maybe you know something I don't know. Ricky in Memphis, great to have you on the EIB network. Great to have you, sir. Hi.
Thank you, Rush. It's a great pleasure. Mega dittos and mega prayers to you.
Thank you.
Rush, just wanted to look for some insight and use your infinite wisdom to just tell me tell millions of us, what is the likelihood of the election being overturned with all the evidence that has been presented? What is the likelihood, as it's never been done in history? So, because honestly, as a proud father, as a husband and American, I'm scared. And I know that millions and millions and millions of us are really scared.
That's